Hi guys! Before anything else, I will give you a little tour sa room ng campsite namin. Pero syempre, mawawala ba naman ang feeling model? Ayan guys, I will show you na. Pero syempre, it's a prank! My room is a mess, so I won't show you guys. Pero ayan yung picture sa loob. So, today should be our tour to Onok Island. But suddenly, we got bad news that the weather is not so good. Makulimlim at saka malakas yung alon, so we don't have choice but to stay whole day dito sa campsite. Pero it's okay. Itong campsite naman is beautiful as well, kaya mai-enjoy mo siya, di ka talaga maboboard. Kaya yan, tamang video, picture para sa FB Reels. Sobrang feeling talaga na feeling model na to, oh. Feel na feel. Naku. Uy, may balat ka sa puwet.
Because I don't know what your opinion is. Do you use an Android phone?
Yeah. Wow.
Have you really compared the two?
With friends, like, hey, chiquita.
Okay.
But chiquita in Spanish means like picture.
The next day.
Anak-anakan. Maliwanag ang puwan. Alasa harap. Alasa ito. Yes! Okay.
Ay, kuya. Uwian time. Now I'm back to camp. Bye, anak. Full of dito pag naulan. Sunrise.